Hello guys, what's up? This is Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to change page size in Google Docs. Let's get started. First of all, I'm giving a little bit brief why you need to change page size in Google Docs. Customizing the page size is Google Docs can be essential for various tasks whenever you are creating a professional report, designing a flyer, or formatting a document for specific printing needs. Let's jump to our screen and I'm changing a page size in Google Docs. First of all, I am using a shortcut directly open a new Google Docs file. Type docs.nu. Press enter. Then I am typing. I am searching for demo text for doing lorem here. I am copy this lorem ipsum text, then paste it on my Google Docs. By default, Google Docs page size is letter format. Look, by default size, press File, then page setup. Here, look here is letter format. 8.5 inch into 11 inch. Then I'm changing it B5. Then press OK. Look, page size is changed right now. If I wanna change again this paper size, press again File, then press again Page Setup. Then here I wanna change from B5 to tablet. Then press OK. Look, change my paper shape again. That's it.